Attention, please don't stop whatever you're doing right now and listen carefully, because what I'm about to tell you could completely change your health and independence. Did you know that 89% of Americans over the age of 65 are unknowingly making a muscle mistake so serious, it's destroying their strength every single day? Yes, even people who are active, who walk daily, who think they're doing everything right are secretly sabotaging their own bodies. If you think that might be you, stay with me until the very end, because what I'll share today will completely reframe how you think about exercise, strength, and aging. By the end of this presentation, I'll reveal how you can reverse muscle loss and start building real, lasting strength in as little as 20 minutes a day. I'm Dr. Chen, an exercise physiologist who spent the last 18 years working exclusively with seniors, men and women aged 60 to 90, helping them restore their vitality, balance, and confidence. Over my career, I've personally worked with over 4,200 older adults, and I've seen the same heartbreaking pattern repeat itself again and again. Demonstration: a simple test before we go further. I want you to try something right now. Yes, right now, this will tell you more about your muscle health than any gym test or step counter ever could. Here's what I want you to do. While sitting in your chair, place your hands in your lap. Now, try to stand up without using your hands for support. Go ahead. I'll wait. Did you feel your body hesitate? Did you need to push yourself up with your arms? Did your knees feel weak or unstable? If you struggled even a little, you are not alone. Millions of older Americans face this exact same challenge every single day, and it's one of the earliest warning signs of something called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. Now, here's the shocking part: even if you walk 10,000 steps a day, or even if you've been faithfully going to the gym, you might still be getting weaker. At 72 years old, Margaret was the picture of dedication. Every morning, she woke up at 6:30, took her brisk 45-minute walk, did her sit-ups, stretched, and followed her doctor's orders perfectly. But 8 months later, Margaret couldn't get out of bed without her husband's help. She was waking up every morning with sharp, burning pain shooting down her lower back and leg. And that's when I had to tell her the truth that most doctors and fitness instructors never explain clearly.